Hello gardening friends, YouTube friends. Just wanted to quickly update you. I had some melanoma removed from my forehead 3 weeks ago. And so last Monday, today's Sunday, so almost a week ago, I had it reconstructed because they had to take like this much skin to make sure they got all of the melanoma, and then they had to like gnarly my face to put it back together. So anyway, I am making videos about that. I'm not sure if I'm going to share them because they're really kind of intense, but I made videos to document like, whoa. So I was out here in the sun for just a minute. When you go through skin cancer, you kind of have this weird thing about the sun, but I absolutely love the sun. So I have my sunscreen on, and what are you gonna do, right? So I got my plants out here, and they are quite small still, and I need to put them in the ground. I got a little dirty try, and I got to show you what happened to my garden. So my garden is super behind because I've been unable to like do a lot of crazy stuff after the surgeries. You can see I still have like some pretty serious bruising, but I'm doing much better. But I came out here this morning and I was like, I'll just go sit out and get just a little vitamin D, wear my hat and all that stuff. So enough looking at my crazy head. I'm going to show you. So first there's like this squash plant that it was a volunteer, but it's all knocked over. And then I started walking out here and I see all this like dug up. It almost looks like an armadillo came through here because it's all kind of underbrushed up, or a pig. Like that bamboo was at the edge here. These are my onions. All my onions are torn apart. One of my marigolds looks like it got torn apart there. So I was like, what in the world? I mean, that was over here. Like something came all the way through here. But my dogs like to dig, so I found this. Sometimes my dogs find a rabbit or a mole and they go after it. So I can see digs all through here. So I really don't know what happened, but it's wrecked. I took my fence down, and that was probably a bad idea because this could have been the dogs. Excuse me. Did you do this? So anyway, as you can see, my garden is, I have a few things in, but I'm just kind of learning to just go with it. And on that matter, I think I'm not going to do my pool this year. I don't want to. Most of all, it's been like I've done it like 7 seasons and I don't have the time, and I just don't want to. So anyways, I just wanted to check in and keep this YouTube channel rolling, keep it real. Comment if you want to. I might make like an unlisted video and just share. I don't know. It's pretty gory, and I just don't know. So anyway, yeah, I'm thankful that I'm cancer free, and I grew up in Hawaii and surfing, and I told the surgeon, I was like, it was still worth it. But they did let me play. They asked me what kind of music I liked, and they played it during the surgery the second time. Anyways, I'm not going to go on and on about that, but I hope you enjoy your Sunday. Try to get you a little time in the garden, or at least time near the garden if you can't garden. So thanks for watching, and I'll update you soon. Cheers.